What's up guys, and welcome to this brand new vlog. Today I'm in beautiful Cape Town, Mother City. We're gonna go have a session. Today looks super windy. I think we're gonna go for a first session now, single loops, and then maybe later on double loops. I think it's gonna be lots of fun. I'm here with a lot of friends. We're all gonna go together. It's gonna be sick. Woo! First guest today, it's Timmy Boy, the one and only.
What's it, guys? We're gonna send it in the water because we're big boys. We deserve it. Let's go!
Second guest is Louis Gossard. He's a pro player. Oh.
Ancien mauvais payeur, pas de frayeur, mais ils savent que je suis le meilleur. Je parle avec une voix intérieure, le temps il passe, ancien simple, nouveau player. Si j'arrive je fais un dawa, je m'emmerde la loi, je suis un jeune à la Pokawa. Mon frérot je savais pas moi, tant de parois, je compte pas le temps qu'on perd par mois. Bon, t'es parti, j'ai effacé, des souvenirs effacés, bon, c'est du passé.
Best handle in the market guys, go check it out. kitesurfing.com. Today, follow him. Guest number 3.
Guest number 3. Attends, on va aller seul.
Ouais, boogie loop today, boogie loop. Guest number 4, Arturo. Arturo send
What up, man?
Yeah, bro. It's gonna be sick with his new handler, bro. What's up guys? Welcome for the second. Okay guys, we're back for the second session. During the first one the battery was flat, but now it looks fucking windy. I'm gonna go on the 6. Hopefully we can get some doubles, otherwise the 8 is in the car right there. So let's see how. Louis just got out of the water. He told me it was the gutsiest session he had in Cape Town. Let's see, I'm still gonna try. But yeah. Whew.
and the cops tryna jam us. Why I keep getting all of these chances? Why me, God, I need answers. Speak your mind and you might get counseled. Take your ring and it cost me a phantom. Whack the witness, the evidence tamper. Dirty money, the safest the hamper. Yeah, my bitch, she a star and I stamped her. P.E. Jordan 3, this a sampler. I don't wanna do it, but I gotta do it. Gotta kill you, nigga, if it's me or you. He got five, nigga, light of fluid. Gotta wait from the haters, say hallelujah. She be crazy, this shit be the closest to you. It's okay, cause they know that I come to do it. Hold your VO for Virgil, exclusive Louis. Bitch was geeking and tweaking, I hit her Ewing. Wrist hitting and glistening, this shit a movie. If you're smoking the dough, then I'm tending to it. Watch when I step here, come my belt. Angel on my shoulder, but the devil on the left. I got a meal, not a meal from a shelf. I do it alone, I own myself. Niggas stay home for you, don't get left. Niggas playing dirty, hit below my belt. I'ma get the bag, do the show myself. Do that shit again, I had to show myself. Make room on my plate, I just said my grace and then I ate. Got a particular taste, I just stuffed my pockets in my face. Okay, let's have a debate. We talking about popping, I promise I'm feeling the way. I took the bodies up out of my closet, I buried them deep and they still in the way.
I filled up the crib with cars or halls with all in all. I'm still having space. Got a particular taste, picky eater, I guess. But I'm some stuff in my face. She got a natural rap like a natural do like the best. She don't like the shit lace. I was outside of the building, I'm on in the spot when it beat it. You gotta have faith. I'm in the man in Texas ever since we lost bro. It ain't really much more I can take. I pop a 10 when it's late. Mama told me to pray.
Okay guys, welcome back. So what happened yesterday, my GoPro died once again and I did a double loop. I landed with too much speed and I had a really bad crash. So I had to like release my kite because the line were tangled. And thankfully a guy like super big legend brought me back to the shore. And as I was like being brought back to the shore, my kite started death looping even though I was released. So I released the second safety and then I literally ran the whole way from Dulce to the KFC, I think, just to get my kite back. So the kite is here. Oopa, with the bar. So we're gonna check the length of the bar, but I believe it's okay because I have my little line smith there. And so the kite, I need to check if the wing tip is not broken, but I think it's fine. And I will fly it tomorrow to see if it's not going to the right or to the left. So that's the job I'll do now.
Que les sables sont plus verts. Que veux-tu que je danse si tu n'es pas ici? Plus rien n'a de sens si tu n'es pas dans ma vie. Là je serai réduit la distance avec tous mes soucis. La vie est trop intense, y'a que toi qui l'adoucis. Hey, que veux-tu que je danse si tu n'es pas ici? Plus rien n'a de sens si tu n'es pas dans ma vie. Là je serai réduit la distance avec tous mes soucis. La vie est trop intense, y'a que toi qui l'adoucis. Hey. Les yeux mouillés sous les répandres. Baby, I love you from the...
Okay, so as my kite is all good, I'm gonna check the bar right now. So I'm gonna attach the bar to this tree with my leash and just make the bar all the way there and check the length.
J'aimerais t'emmener sous la canopée, comme Polo et Paul. Que
It's a
veux-tu que
big
je
dog.
danse si tu n'es pas ici? Plus rien n'a de sens si tu n'es pas dans ma vie. Là j'y serai réduit la distance avec tous mes soucis. La vie est trop intense, y'a que toi qui l'adoucis. Mais moi que veux-tu que je danse si tu n'es pas ici? Plus rien n'a de sens si tu n'es pas dans ma vie. Là j'y serai réduit la distance avec tous mes soucis. La vie est trop intense, y'a que toi qui l'adoucis. Hey, tu m'as fait ranger.
Gonna be fucked or not.
De mon cœur, j'étais on top. Maintenant arrête.
Oh, let's go, guys!
Y'a plus que moi et mon sang.
As you can see, I'm not riding normal lines. I'm riding reinforced lines. So it's made by the Line Smith. You should go check it out on the website. I have a promo code right here. And yeah, it's just the best line in the game. Super reinforced, super safe. So check it out. Woo. Okay guys, that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know in the comments. Next one will be probably Barcarès in France. I'm gonna go back to France in 10 days, I think. I'm here in Cape Town now. Thanks again for all my sponsors, especially Nesh and Pro Limit for supporting me. And yeah, see you on the next one.
Que veux-tu que je danse si tu n'es pas ici? Plus rien n'a de sens si tu n'es pas